Today's a practice day and everyone's just trying to get all settled in, unload the trailer, get all our gear where it needs to be in our garage, get everything organized, and work out any little issues that we may have with the cars today. It's a 4-hour hot session, open track, so go on, come off as you please. And today we're just going to make sure that everything's running right and we have no hiccups. And if there is any hiccups, we have plenty of time to go ahead and sort it out before our competition day tomorrow. This year for Super Lap Battle, we teamed up with a few different of our sponsors to fundraise for the Marine Raider Foundation, hence the Marine Raider logo on the hood and sides of the car. We had a lot of questions as to what that was about. People thought it was from Call of Duty, asking us ourselves if we were Raiders, and the truth is we just wanted to go ahead and get a fundraiser started. Myself being prior military, wanted to do something to give back. 100% of the money was donated to the Marine Raider Foundation, and we also covered 60 active duty tickets for all active duty members who showed up to watch the competition all weekend. To caveat off of that, I want to give a big thank you to all our sponsors and supporters that donated. Our sponsors, Dun & Motorsports, Raceworks, Best Motorworks, EMI, Via Designs, S5X Performance, Lang Racing, Daniel's Tacos, F Your Ticket, and Motorsport Spec. We appreciate you guys helping out this year, and hopefully we can do it again next year.
Spark 5.
Getting ready to head out to our practice session. This is very important for us to go ahead and get some more seat time on this track, which we're not really familiar with. This is only our second time doing COTA, but it also helps us figure out tire temps, tire pressures, what to expect for tomorrow, although this day was a lot hotter than the rest of the days. after a few hours, we decided to come in, let the cars cool down, do a little debrief, look over the data, make any adjustments that we need to make, and get ready to go back out there again.
What?
Action motor right there.
Unfortunately, the last half hour was black flagged due to someone blowing their motor on track, so we ended the day a little early, but we still felt like we got enough seat time to where it was going to be very beneficial for the entire weekend. Practice is in the books, got the cars on pit lane doing a little photo shoot, and we're just going to go ahead and relax for the rest of the day, get back home, look over some data, and get ready for tomorrow, mentally and physically.
Second floor? Oh, look, they got the airlift right over there for my boy tomorrow. Where?